John can go. Hello everybody, this is JP right here, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking to you about 5 expressions you guys can do it and express yourself with the preposition on. So let's jump right in. The first expression is on guard. This means that you have to be alert. Like for example, when I go out at night, I have to be on guard because otherwise maybe I can find myself in danger. On guard, be alert. The second expression is on purpose. This means that you do something intentionally. For example, I ate the cake on purpose, even though my mom told me not to. So I did it. I like cakes. On purpose, intentionally, with the intention to do it. The third expression is on second thought. This means you think again, you think twice, and maybe you can change your mind. For example, I'm in a mood for coffee, but on second thought, I'm going to have tea. I like tea, and this is a better choice. Maybe for me today instead of having coffee. On second thought, you think again, you think twice. The fourth expression is on the spot. This means at the right time on that moment. For example, I didn't have permission to play video games, but because my mom wasn't at home, I decided to do it. But an hour later, my mom came from work and she caught me on the spot playing video games. She got angry. On the spot, on that time, right there. The fifth and final expression for today is on the go. This means while you are moving, while you are on your way. For example, I sometimes eat on the go to school. I'm going to school and probably I'm eating snacks or drinking something. On the go, you do something while you move. This is it. This is all, everybody. I hope you like this video. This was about expression with the preposition go. You can use it in your everyday life. These are not so difficult expressions, and if you like it, don't forget please to hit the subscribe button and share the video with your friends, with your family. We're gonna have more of these amazing videos later. That's it. Bye bye.